Hi everyone, I am Ashish Arora and I am student of BBA Mornige of MERI, and today I'll be give presentation on topic why economic development is more important than economic growth. Economic development and growth were used interchangeably in economic discussion. Economic development Economic development is a value based concept. It should include not only the acceleration of economic growth but also the reduction of inequality and eradication of poverty, increase in employment opportunities, and welfare of the masses, etc. What is the importance of economic development? India has followed a different path of development from many other countries. India went more quickly from agriculture to services that tend to be less tightly regulated than heavy industry. Factors influencing development are a fast growing population of working age, wage costs are low in India, highly advanced and attractive cluster of business and technology space. Importance of economic growth. India has sustained rapid growth of GDP for most of the last two decades, leading to rising per capita income and a reduction in absolute poverty. Per capita income has doubled in 12 years. India has one third of all the people in the world living below the official global poverty line. It has more poor people than the whole of sub. India per capita income is 1 by 20 of the UK. Despite a strong attempt to become an open economy, exports of goods and services from India account for only 15% of GDP, although this will rise further in the years ahead. Why economy is not up to the mark? Economic growth is associated with an increase in GDP per capita. Per capita income does not give any information about income distribution. Economic growth does not talk about the quality of life, that is literacy, standards of wealth and nutrition, etc. Economic growth does not deal with environmental issues. Factors to focus for the growth and development of India. Strength welfare program. As Sen points out, many countries with lower per capita income than India have done better. A unique and outstanding examples come from Bhutan and its use of gross national happiness to guide development. Its human development index increased from this 0.140 in 1991. Invest in skills development and entrepreneurship. As the government is shifting focus from agriculture to manufacturing, the challenge is to support this transition by retraining agriculture workers for more productive jobs with better wages. Limitations in India's growth and development: poor infrastructure, low productivity, high inflation, low national savings, a relatively closed economy. India is a net importer of primary products. Now, the growth and development difference in income distribution. Now, finally, the conclusion of my presentation is economic development involves something more than economic growth. In fact, there are certain qualitative dimensions in the process of development that are conspicuous by their absence in the growth or expansion of an economy. Economic development implies both more output and change in the technical and institutional arrangements by which it is produced and change in attitude and values. Thank you.